I forgot to talk about the liberal stance in Christianity. You probably remember from your high school Latin class that liberal comes from liber, which means free and open. Like I mentioned before, Catholicism has tended to be conservative throughout the modern and postmodern periods. This is partly due to the antiquity of this church and the weight of tradition and doctrine. But the 1960s, especially in the Americas, was liberal in many ways. Quite a surprise to many Catholics was the calling of Vatican II by Pope John, who called the need for fresh air in Catholicism. From 1962 to 65, Catholicism would issue an apology to Jews for centuries of anti-Semitism. There was also an acceptance of the Mass being performed in the vernacular, not Latin. Priests now faced the congregations, and there was a growing role for the laity and acceptance for folk forms of Catholicism. This liberal spirit within Catholicism would also be expressed in liberation theology throughout Latin America. With the endemic class exploitation, many were taking an option for the poor. Catholicism also took on an ecumenical spirit, expressing an openness to the truths found in other world religions.